children 3+ years or 3 years old and above. Above over there. Come on, let's open it. Open it. Come on, let's open it. Wow! What's the ABCs? Stickers. Wow, that's a manual. Wow, that's a toy. This is the board. Wait, it's a battery. Mommy will put on the batteries, and these batteries is for AA. Wow. Read it, Mommy, it's for you.
Dear smart parents, good day. We've seen how supportive you are as a parent in the learning process of your child, and we would like to help you more on this. We'd like to give you a gift that will surely help your child's learning process. We hope you can visit our page and check out some of our learning tools as well. For the love of educating, Smart Mama M&L. Yay! Thank you, Smart Mama!
Let's get it and open it. Then we will try it later. Wow. It's for, oh my goodness. There's a lot of Expedia here. Whoa. What? It's a pen. Wow. This is a helper book. Mommy will insert the battery. 9966789. A hero. Hello everyone. Today my neighbor from Smart Mama.
Hello and welcome. Press any key to start. Check it out. Press the letter to learn its pronunciation.
What
Or
letter is
press
that?
The numbers to do
What letter is that?
Cat.
Letter?
Cat.
Letter C.
C.
Press letter A.
Okay.
Press letter A. Letter A. Yeah.
Okay.
For?
A. Is also A.
You press letter M. For Monique.
What's the M?
M. M is M.
Can I write? Can I dry? Can I dry now?
Press the number. Press the number. Here, the number here.
What? Okay, that one.
5.
5.
5.
Next.
Next is
That one.
what number? 8.
8.
8.
Good job.
That.
Now,
That's the ABC song.
where is it?
There.
Okay, press it.
Press any key to start.
Press the ABC song.
Let's sing the alphabet song.
H-I-J, sing. M-N-O-P.
Q-R-S T-U-V W-X Y-Z
Now I know my ABC. Won't you sing along with me?
Now press the one again.
Yes.
Let's sing the number song. 1, 2, 3, 4, standing on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8,
Face mommy.
9, 10, 11. Like we hung the one.
Face mommy.
2, 12. We can learn very well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12.
Come on.
Done.
Yeah, come on. You press it for the volume. Okay. Let's try.
Let's sing the alphabet
Okay, you press the volume. And then you press this.
H-I-J-K-L-M-N-O-P. Q-R
Yeah. Oh,
Spelling time.
Spell.
Press any letter key or
Stop.
you
spelling time.
What about
Press
this
any
book?
letter
What does it do?
Check it out. Press the letter to learn its pronunciation, or press the numbers to do calculations.
Okay, press a letter. Press M.
Okay.
M. M is M.
Ma. Okay, let's try this one. What is this? Press it.
Okay.
Memory game.
Oh,
How
memory
many
game.
keys can you remember in a row? Ready? Go! 5.
5. Where's 5? Where's 5? Press 5. Press 5. Here.
5. Excellent.
Wow.
Continue on. 5. E.
E. Where's letter E? Where's letter E? Where's letter E?
E. Ouch.
Oh,
You got
I
1.
I thought I heard letter E.
Not bad.
Okay.
Let's try another one.
It's not
How
bad.
many
Come on, let's
keys
try this.
Can you remember
Let's
in
try
a
that.
row? Ready?
Let's try it.
Go!
Tap
P. Learning quiz. Are you ready? Find the letter Z.
Where's letter Z? Find letter Z. Letter Z. Press it.
Z. Excellent. Which letter's pronunciation is S? Is also E.
E. Where is letter E? Come on. Where's letter E? Press letter E. Press it hard.
E. Awesome. Find
Awesome.
the letter J.
Where's letter J? Come on, where's letter J? J. Okay. Where's letter J?
J.
Good
Great.
job.
Find the letter K.
Where's letter K, Monique?
K.
Look for letter K. K. Where's letter K?
K.
Yeah, good job. Come on, let's try
Find the
another.
letter S.
Let's try another one. This one. What is this? This one.
This one.
Hunting words.
Hunting
The
word.
word that is spelled M-O-N-K-E-Y.
What is that? M-O-N-K-E-Y. It's a monkey. Very good.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Let's find the letters that spell the word ball.
Yeah.
I did not understand.
I do not understand.
Okay, let's try another one. This one? This one?
Oh.
Math quiz.
Math!
Number keys to answer. What is 3 plus 1?
3 plus 1
3 plus 1.
is?
Yes.
What's the answer, Kuya?
3 plus 1.
Yeah.
4.
Okay, press 4. Press number 4. Press number 4.
Okay, 4. That
4.
1.
4.
It's correct.
Yeah, it's correct.
It doesn't door.
It doesn't say anything. Okay. What about you, Kuya? You want to try it?
Yes, I want to ride. Back. Let's go back.
Hello and welcome. Press any key to start.
I want
E.
That's my favorite.
J.
I want
J
to do this
is
one.
J.
Spell. Or read.
Check it out. Press the letter to learn its pronunciation. Or press
Oh,
the
the same
number
one
to
here.
do calculations.
Press any letter.
Okay. Press any letter.
Yeah.
Right.
It's not a letter. It's a number.
I want
I.
spelling. That's my favorite. I shall
Spelling time. Press any letter key or number key to hear how to spell it. 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Before
You can put the pen
I.
here because it's a magnet. Look. See?
Wow.
It's magic. Like
Okay.
magic.
Yeah.
We
But
can play. Come on, let's write. Wait, I'll open it. Mommy, please.
Write only on the board, ha? Not on the wall.
Here. Look at that.
W.
Oh no, the board will fall.
W.
Guys, erase it. Erase.
For
Erase.
Okay.
I. Y.
Wow, good job.
Thank you, Smart Mama. We love it so much. Bye-bye.